Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to create a Chrome shortcut on a desktop Windows 11. So first one is just simply go to the start menu over here and search for the Google Chrome. And after that, just simply go ahead and right click on it and go for open file location. And now from here, just simply right click on it again and go for open file location. And from here, you will see the application itself. In order for you to create a shortcut, just simply right click on it. And from here, you will have this option, create shortcut. As you can see, we have a warning that our shortcut will be placed on the desktop. So just simply click on yes. And after that, when we go to the desktop, as you can see guys, we should have the Chrome shortcut over here. Now, another one is just simply go ahead and go to your Chrome and go to the three dots on the top right. And from here, go for cast, save, and share. And you will have this option over here, create shortcut. And after that, you should be able to name your shortcut over here. So I'm going to go for shortcut 1. And from here, you can just simply click on create. And after that, as you can see, we will have the shortcut over here. And every time we click on it, it will automatically redirect us to the Google. And there you go. See ya.